First I mix colors, starting with the Eye Candy Periwinkle Purple, followed by the Eye Candy Persian Purple, and finally the Eye Candy Aura Gold. And for a transparent color, I'm using the Octopus Fluids Aronia. I'll start pouring that first, and then move on to the Aura Gold. Next is the Eye Candy Persian Purple, which looks blue to me, but it's called purple. A circle of Periwinkle Purple, followed by a circle of Persian Purple. Then the Aura Gold. Then I flood the center with Persian Purple, then Periwinkle Purple. Then I add some glass and glitter. Now I'm doing sort of a flower pattern with the Aura Gold. Then I go back with a silicone brush and sort of swirl and mess around with that. Push the colors around with the heat gun. Now it's time to unmold. Wow, these eye candy colors are amazing. Look at it, it's just brilliant. You can find the mold that I used on our website, crystalresinart.com. It's our crystal edge square silicone mold.